Right now, there is a bill sitting in Congress that could let you carry a firearm legally in all 50 states. No permit, no permission slip, no asking a government bureaucrat for your own rights back, and almost nobody is talking about it. Stay with me, because this one is big. What is going on, everybody? My name is Andrew, and welcome back. If you're new here, this is the channel where we talk about the stuff that actually matters, your rights, your freedom, and what Washington is doing about it. Make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a video like this one. Before we go any further, a quick note. This video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. We're discussing recent court rulings, legal challenges, and public policy debates surrounding the Second Amendment. Nothing in this video should be considered legal advice. Gun laws vary by state and can change quickly. If you have questions about your specific situation, always consult a qualified attorney and make sure you're following all applicable laws where you live. Section 1. The promise we were made and what actually happened. Be honest with me for a second. Remember the beginning of 2025? A lot of us were fired up. We thought finally we're gonna see some real movement on the Second Amendment, executive orders, new leadership at the DOJ, promises of restoring rights that have been chipped away for decades. And then we waited, and for a lot of us, nothing came. I know that feeling. I felt it too, and I think it's important to be honest about that rather than just cheerleading and pretending everything is perfect, because you deserve better than that, and so do your rights. But here's why I'm pumped to make this video today, because Congress just made a move that could change everything. Section 2, the bill that could change everything. On March 5th, 2026, just days ago, Senator Mike Lee introduced the National Constitutional Carry Act of 2026. Now before you roll your eyes and say, yeah, we've heard this before, hear me out, because this bill is written differently. It goes further than anything we've seen before. Here's what Senator Lee himself said, and I'm going to quote this directly because it's worth hearing. The founders established a national right to keep and bear arms, not to ask for permission from hostile local officials or risk imprisonment for crossing the wrong state line. Say that again. Risk imprisonment for crossing the wrong state line. That is the reality that millions of law-abiding gun owners face every single day in this country, and it is insane. Section 3. What this bill actually does, plain and simple. So what does this bill actually do? Let me break it down simply. Number 1, it establishes nationwide permitless carry. That means no permit required, period, for any law-abiding adult in America. Number 2, and this is the part that blew me away, it preempts state and local laws. We're talking magazine limits, ammo restrictions, firearm regulations, all of it. Think about what that means practically. If you're a legal gun owner in Texas driving through California, California cannot enforce its magazine capacity ban on you. New York, Illinois, New Jersey, Massachusetts, none of them can legally stop you. Now I know some of you are already thinking, this will never pass. And look, I get the skepticism. I really do. But stay with me, because the political landscape right now gives this a real shot, and there's something you can do about it. Section 4, the absurdity nobody talks about. You know what kills me? I can drive from Maine to California on one driver's license. One, no state test, no reapplication, no waiting period. And driving, last I checked, is not even a constitutionally protected right. But my carry permit, useless the second I cross certain state lines. I suddenly become a criminal for doing nothing but existing with a firearm I legally own. How does that make any sense? The answer is it doesn't. It never did. Section 5, what you can do right now, it takes 5 minutes. Here's the thing, bills like this don't pass on their own. They pass because people like you, the people watching this right now, make noise. Call your senator, call your representative, tell them you support the National Constitutional Carry Act of 2026. It takes 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes of your day could push this forward. And here's some good news. President Trump has already signaled he would sign a bill like this. So the door is open. Now we need Congress to walk through it. Red state, blue state, it doesn't matter. This affects every single one of us. And frankly, the people living in restrictive states need this the most. They deserve freedom too. Look, I'm not here to tell you everything is perfect. I'm not here to hype things up just to get views. I make these videos because I genuinely believe your rights matter, your family's safety matters, and somebody needs to be talking about this stuff clearly and honestly. If this video gave you something useful, drop a like. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share this one, because the more people who know about this bill, the better chance it has. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.